Fixing a typo can completely ruin my game. Let me explain. I was working on a fun little feature I have planned when I realized this code didn't account for an edge case that I now needed. So I began typing away, but I got distracted by this. Conditon? How have I never noticed I spelled condition wrong here? Oh well, I can quickly change every reference to the correct spelling. Keep in mind, renaming variables like this is something I do almost every day, so I didn't think anything of it and just continued on working on the feature. 10 minutes later, when I was done, I went to test the new thing and... What? Why did the trains on the main menu crash? Oh well, I'll figure that in a second. I want to test this other thing first. Wait, why is this crashing now too? Nothing about this new feature interacts with anything related to the actual gameplay simulation. What is causing this? I quickly began jumping between levels and I realized only about half of my solutions are broken. After some time, I realized my solutions don't have any conditions. I then try adding conditions and then saving the solution and reloading it. Everything works as expected, but every condition made before this happened just doesn't exist anymore. Now, the problem may seem obvious, but I spent 10 minutes of programming an unrelated feature between fixing that typo and discovering the problem. Remembering that I added an I to a name was not something I even considered when trying to debug this. It took another 30 minutes to realize that the old save files were fine and the problem was something to do with how I was loading those save files, and then it clicked. All of the old save files are storing information under this name, Conditon, and I just changed the code to save and, more importantly, load from condition. If I just hadn't noticed that missing I in the first place, I would have saved an hour of my time. Oh well, at least now I'll never forget that